Imagine creating custom luxury-inspired images like these and turning them into eye-catching Pinterest pins in just minutes. Let's dive into the Craft Your Masterpiece command from Luxe Melanin Creator. Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome back to my channel where I showcase the best AI tools for creatives. Today I'll walk you through the Craft Your Masterpiece command of Luxe Melanin Creator, showing you how to design stunning portraits and turn them into Pinterest-ready pins using Canva. Stick around to the end for the tips on making the most out of this powerful tool. In my last video, I went over the casual elegance command and we made some designer inspired images, so be sure to check that out. In this last video, I am going to create images using the Craft Your Masterpiece command. This command allows you to get more detailed and you can create different various luxury themes, and it'll start off asking you what type of theme you want, and it'll also give you a base prompt. We are going to do, let's go with luxury travel. So I'm going to say luxury travel theme. Make sure her full hairstyle is shown. We'll go ahead and get that started. And you pick her attire. Let's go. Now, as I said, you can always use the prompt template, the base template, to get even more detailed. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I am going to copy image, and I already have a little template. It's a Pinterest template that I'm going to use just to show you the potential of what you can do with these images. And like that, and you can go and say, I don't know, 5 tips to improve your traveling to improve traveling plans. Let's just do something like that. Then pop in your URL. So this is also great if you want to use it as a image to use for your blog as well. So let's create another one. And let's say that's another one. And then after we do these two, we'll go in detail with the base prompt. But just want to quickly show you, oh, that is really nice. Elegant, sleek. Okay, really easy. All right, let's do one more luxury because I love it so much. Oops, I think I deleted the actual. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, give me one more. And as you see, I'm not using any prompts, even though you can to get more detailed. But if you kind of lazy like me and just wanted to create you some images, this is perfect. Okay, this one looks a little off because I don't know, it's like the plane, the back of the plane's out, so we'll ask her to do one more. Even though this is really nice though. Let's say just try it, try again. All right, yeah, nice. Just like that, your pins are ready to go. Okay, so let's play around and get a little bit more detailed. We'll go back up here and get our base prompt. And also, I want to tell you that you can not only just use for branding, but if you want to make prompt guides, you can actually click on the image and get the prompt for the images as well. So it's another way to make some money. Okay, let's see. Imagine a glorious affirmation set in. Let's say the setting is going to be on the beach at night, wearing a oops, actually, let's say at a night, say yacht party, wearing a silk gown with a relaxed and happy expression. Oh, I kind of already said, say say sunset. Sunset, so let me take night out. African American portrait at a yacht party wearing a silk gown with a relaxed and happy expression during the sunset. And let's add diamond earrings. Diamond earrings. Flawless makeup to complete the look. All right, let's go. Oh, I guess I should have specified what size because it tilted. So let's say we do and make sure it is square ratio. Okay, it cut her hair off, but that is pretty. So I'm gonna say one more time only because I want to see if it'll give me the full hairstyle. Actually, let's say, what is the seed number and generation ID? Okay, I'm going to use the seed number, say using seed number, give me a different one and make sure her full hairstyle is shown this time. See what it does. Let's see. I can try, yes. I can retry or adjust the parameter slightly to ensure the hairstyle is shown. Let's see if it does it this time. Okay, it still cut it off slightly, but that's okay. We'll go with it. And there you have it, really nice. Okay, let's say 5 tips for improving. 5 tips for your yacht party. And we can also, just for aesthetic purposes, let's see. That doesn't match the green, but we'll go with that. Okay, let's see. We have, really quick, we already have 3 traveling plans. Let's do another one for the yacht party. Oops, keep doing that. Attach image. Okay. I'm just gonna say random yacht party theme. Let's try vertical, but sometimes it rotates the image. So let's see if we get lucky and it don't. Yacht, random yacht party theme, vertical. Let's see what it is. Oh, I'm surprised. It did it. That's lovely. I like that. So let's copy image in there. Perfect. A little bit over there. Okay. And let's do one more. Okay. Random yacht party theme. Wearing an inspired necklace and earrings. Wearing diamond. Chanel inspired necklace and earrings. And let's see what it is. Oh, let me put vertical, see if it'll give me another vertical. Oh, it gave us a landscape. So let me say, what you could still use the pop and count and just turn it around. Do it again, but do not rotate image. Don't rotate the image. Make it is vertical. Great for, let's say, IG Reels, so I know what format I need. Okay, I did it. Nice. I love the sunset in the background. I think it tried to put C's on the necklace, but that's okay. And there you have it. We've created very quickly 6 pins that you can pop on Pinterest. You can also use this for your blog. And if you enjoyed seeing how Luxe Melanin Creator can elevate your Pinterest game, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite project idea or what you'd like me to try next. And if you're ready to take your AI tool game to the next level, join my AI Workflow Collective Beta program where I'll teach you to create and automate your first AI tool. The link is in the description. And as always, you can also download these images that we curated. Thanks for watching and see you next time.